Oh yeah, right on cue, boy. Nice lightning out to the northwest, or northeast, excuse me. So yeah, what this is wrap around front from a low up in, I think around the Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin border. So yeah, here's strong winds out in front of that line because we're supposed to get some pretty decent rain tonight too. So 20, 25 sustained more than likely. I think around 20 sustained, gusting to 30 to 35. And my friend told me they have a high wind warning, and he's from Kansas City. They're supposed to get 45, 50 mile an hour gusts, 25 to 30 sustained. Again, I don't think we're supposed to get any of that, but still. Let's get a little over here too. That's where it's coming from. Look at that wind. It's going. Oh yes, another lightning strike. And I'll say this. Until the wind gust goes by. And I'll say this, whatever leaves are left on the trees are pretty much going to be gone after this week, because the wind's going to really pick up most of the early part of the week. Starting to rain here, so let's get one more. Let's get one more here. See if we can get one more gust before I go in. Let's see here. Nope, it doesn't seem like it. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go. It's starting to rain and I'm not gonna get wet. Later.